Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, we'll talk about everything crypto, airdrops, how to do, basically how to help you guys navigate this market while you earn in the process. So today I bring you guys an amazing video. To be honest, videos like this are the kind of the things that actually make me keep going in this space. Like I won't lie, there's a lot of things, a ton of things that I just want to make you quit, but videos like this kind of make me want to keep going, so you want to stick to the end for this one. Now if you click on the thumbnail of this video, you already know what this video is about, but as mind-blowing as it is, I'm going to show you in real time. So now you can buy stocks on chain, you can buy stocks on the blockchain. Like, this is so big. I feel like a lot of people are not even really understanding or talking about how big this is. Like, it's bringing the old traditional way of doing finance and bringing it on chain, as in the new way. Like, this makes me realize that okay, yes, we are actually going full digital in the future. Like, there is no stopping back, there is no stopping us right now. All foot on the gas. Anyway, enough of the talking. Let's go to my system. It's more practical over here, so let's go. Anyway, so I was scrolling on Twitter and I saw a bunch of tweets. You can now buy different stocks on chain. And before I even go to that, I want to talk about Robinhood being the mastermind behind this. Like, this is crazy, man. I can't lie to you. So Robinhood, first of all, brought about, he said you've been asking for this, as you can see on their tweet. I reposted this on Twitter. He said ETH and SOL staking are now available to US customers. Like, do you know what this means? So it means that now you can stake. Okay, backstory. Naturally, we stake ETH and SOL on chain. Yes, this is going to be on chain, but now they are now frontlining it. They are now making you believe that ETH, that's Ethereum and Solana, are big assets and you can stake them for the future. So you can stake them to make more money in the future by holding them for like the future. And not just only that, now you can now also buy stocks. You can now also buy stocks on these chains, on the blockchain, and it will be like, okay, yes, you are holding the actual asset in real time. And I want to show you guys the companies that are like kind of backing this. I've already mentioned one, which is Robinhood, and the other one is XStocksFi. I don't know what it is. But it's here. It's saying investing design for everyone, pioneering tokenized equities, over 50 tokenized stocks available on chain and on centralized exchanges. This is big, to be honest. Forget about me just saying this is big. This is really big. So I checked their website, and once you come to the website, it says accept and continue. I don't really know what this is about, but as you can see here, they are backed by Solana, Kraken, Bybit, Jupiter, like most big protocols on not just Solana but in crypto in general. Now you can see this is here, invest in the US stock market on chain. Bro, crazy, man. And this is not just for the Americans alone. Like for Americans, it's like this is going to bring so much money on chain and in the global financial market. But like for Americans, back then you have to go through a broker and stuff to get these assets. It takes a lot. But right now, you can have it like your own favorite crypto. It's just like you have your favorite coin. You can have your own favorite stock on chain. And for us here as Africans, like, it was very hard to like buy into most of these stocks during our parents' times. But right now, you can start like building your arsenal. And for me, there's also a trader. You can also like take leverage positions, or okay, let me not say leverage positions. I know it's coming to that, but you can like, okay, let's say you go and you check out the what do they call it, the Tesla chart. Let me just go to my chart here. Sorry. Let's say you go and you check out the Tesla chart, for example, and checking out this chart now, you see a position and you feel like, okay, yes, Tesla is going to go up a certain amount of points, blah blah blah. You can just like go on chain, buy the stock, and capitalize on that price points. You get what I'm saying? So this is like huge. Anyway, like I said, enough of the yapping, because there's still a ton of research I have to do about this. I'm just putting it out there because it's pretty new, and I feel like everybody should know about this. You should know about this. You don't want, if you don't know about this, I feel like you're living under the rock. You should know about it before this goes, like, it's definitely going to go what do they call it, global, because Solana ETFs in the US will be trading in the next few days or weeks, which is going to make all of this more legit and global. But you should know about this, man. If your financial advisor is not telling you about this, suck it. Anyway, so this is just like the platform that is kind of doing this. Also this is another site. I feel like this site is the people that kind of backing whatever is going on behind the scenes. So as you can see, it says investing design for everyone. The future of finance is on chain, backed doing stocks and ETFs to blockchain. So this is big. So now let's go try it. That's just the summary or the end goal of this video. It's not just talk about it. Let's go try to buy a stock on chain. So there are different platforms here. You can see if you go back to Twitter, you can see there are different platforms here championing this. You can see there's Radium, there's Jupiter, there's Camino, but everything is being done on Solana. And you can also buy this on centralized exchanges like Bybit or Kraken. Kraken is for US users, so I understand that part. So anyway, I'm going to do this like a crypto real bro, that I'm going to buy the stock on chain. I don't need to go through Bybit or Kraken because that's me going to a centralized exchange. I'm going to buy it on chain. Let's go, bro. So I'll go to Jupiter. I'm going to try this on Jupiter, and I'm also going to try this on Camino. Let's see how it goes. So I have like some money in my wallet. Let's check my wallet. I have some money in my wallet. I'm going to buy like $1, $2, $3 worth of it. I have some money in my wallet. Okay. And then this is how it goes. Let me look for it. So let's do TSLA Tesla. Okay, see it here. This is Tesla X stock. This is like the verified version. Don't buy into these ones that are not verified. This verified version shows you that, okay, yes, this is the real deal. Don't go and click on all these ones that are not verified. You will lose your money. So clicking on Tesla, and what is happening? Okay. I feel like it went to V2 or something. Okay. Nothing. It just loaded normal. I'm gonna swap some Solana to Tesla stock, so I'm gonna do like 0.01. Yeah. And note, this Tesla stock now, like, is the same price for this Tesla that is here on your, what do you call it, on your MT4. Is the same price as a Tesla that is here. Like, it's trading 1-to-1. That's one share of a Tesla on the normal stock market. It's still the same share of a Tesla on the on-chain market. I don't know why my network is kind of slow. As you can see, a Tesla is 317. It should be the same thing here. So let's first swap this. Okay, here is 310. Okay, like this kind of a slight let's say slippage, or this should be faster. I don't know. It's kind of a slight slippage between both of them on my MT4 is not loading, I guess. Anyway, let's do the swap. Let's do the swap. So confirm. It's just like you buying a regular coin or a meme coin. You know, and the funny thing is that everybody at some point was saying, oh, the blockchain is just for buying memes. It's just for buying meme coins. Bro, you can buy stocks on the blockchain now, bro. You can buy stocks on the blockchain now. It's not just meme coins anymore. So I just swapped some money for it. And look at it, bro. I got Tesla, bro. I got Tesla. I got like a fraction of a Tesla stock. And let's say I want to buy like let's do this. Let's try and sell. I don't have one Tesla, but let's try and do like I'm selling one. Okay. It shows you that one Tesla stock is worth $310. Like I said, I don't know how much is worth here currently. Okay, it's worth 317. trading view, so I don't know. Probably like there's a slight slippage, but it's almost similar, you get me? And this is like, bro, I have a Tesla stock, bro. Like, this is so cool, to be honest. Like, for some people it's not going to be anything, but for people that have been in this space for a while, seen a lot of criticism and a lot of things that want to make you quit, I feel like this is a glimpse of hope. Like, you can now start buying stocks. I feel like this is going to bring a lot of people on chain, both the old and young, as long as you understand what the blockchain is. Even if you don't want to buy crypto coins, you can buy stocks. And imagine not just buying stocks, but buying what do they call it, the asset that can help you buy stocks, which is Solana, and also buying these platforms that you can trade stocks on, which is Jupiter, Camino, and also the what do they call it, the on-chain what do they call that stuff? It's Pi. I'm trying to just give you what Pi is. It's like, it's what helps all these swaps happen. The oracle behind all these movements is Pi. So like, at some point you see that the people that are buying these stocks will start thinking like this. Okay, yes, it's for me to do. I can buy stocks, yes, but I can also buy these things because these things are also getting kind of valuable. It's not just for only memes anymore. So this is big. Man, I'm proud of all the teams behind this. I'm proud of Solana, to be honest. Like I said, this is motivation to keep going in this space. This is huge for crypto as a whole. So I've bought my first stock here on the Camino on the Jupiter exchange. I'm going to try Camino and I'm going to wrap this video. And probably when I do more research on the X stocks, that's people that are actually like fronting this thing and helping you buy stocks on chain, then I'll probably do a revised video about them. But for now, you can buy stocks on chain. So I bought Tesla on Jupiter. I'm going to buy what do you call it, Apple. Bro, I'm a millionaire now buying stocks, man. That's crazy. So I'm going to buy Apple on Camino. Let's try Camino swap. Let me just search for Camino. Okay, so just my profile. Okay, this is Camino. Let's try Camino swap and buy Apple stock. Okay. Pass me my net. Okay. It's loading. And yeah, I'm trading the financial markets, bruv. You can see trading the financial markets. Crazy, bruv. My network is slow. Oh. Sure. I don't know why Camino is not loading, so I'm going to try and buy an Apple here, and I will wrap this video. But you can also do this with, like I said, as you can see, AAPLX. Look at it. Make sure when you are looking for this, look for the verified token. Now, so one Apple stock is worth $210, and here one Apple stock is worth 205. So like this kind of is slight slippage, price action. To be honest, it's kind of a slight slippage price action, but I'm just gonna buy 0.01. But like I said, just know that you are buying a stock and you are buying like the real stock, and this is so fucking sorry. Just know that you are buying a stock and you are buying like the real stock, and this is so bullish for not just crypto but finance in general. That's it. So if you like stuff like this, please give us or give me a like. Okay, yeah, before I close it, Camino just loaded, so let's try it here on Camino. Probably I'll swap from Apple back to USDT or back to Solana. So I'll disconnect this wallet first, connect my Phantom, and go to swap. And now for swap, I'm going to select it's not loading my stocks. I don't know why. It's loading every other thing, but I can't see my stocks. So let me search for EAPL. Okay, as you can see, I searched for it and it's kind of also verified here. There are also other AAPLs here. Please be careful. Make sure you go for the verified version. And I'm going to swap it back to Solana. I'm swapping everything back to Solana. And under the hood, to be honest, we have to like give a shout out to Pyth Network. It's kind of the Oracle project on Solana that is making everything so seamless and fast. And you can move from stock to crypto and crypto to stock like in seconds. So this transaction is finalizing, and it should be done any minute from now. And I would have moved from an Apple stock to Solana or to a crypto coin. Bro, this is crazy, man. I can't lie. This is crazy. This is huge for crypto and finance in general, man. This is, can't lie. So the swap is successful, which means that the deed is done. If you like stuff like this, give us a like on this video. Also don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications to get the latest updates on what's happening in the world of crypto. To be honest, a lot of things are changing fast and you also need to be put up to date fast. Anyway, thank you guys for sticking to the end of this video. See you in the next one. Peace.